Hi guys, my name is Rochester, and in this video I'm going to share with you my experiences so far with my golden crown collection hair.
Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do anything better than you.
Alright guys, so this was going to be about this hair that I've been wearing from Golden Crown collection. So this hair is, I think these are Veni V and I hair, and I'm wearing a 16, I'm wearing 116, 214 and I think a 12-inch closure. So this is the length of it. It hits right on my boob. And I must say, I am truly feeling this hair. Do you see it? It looks very natural. I mean, it's far different from the longer lengths I would normally wear. We know this, but I like it. I like this length. This is a new company that I'm trying out, so I was kind of a little bit skeptical because I haven't worn hair like this for a very long time, probably 4 some months. I've just been wearing like wigs, and this hair is sewn in. I sewed it in myself. I'm back to sewing in hair myself. It is time consuming, it is tedious, it is tiring, but at the end of the day, it's cheap. So let's just get into that, okay? Yeah, so this is from Golden Crown collection. I won't stay long. I'm just telling you right now what the hair is doing to me, and it is giving me nothing but life, mama. Let me explain. When I did this hair, I had to cut a lot on the top, so I knew I wasn't gonna get some shedding, because whenever I cut a hair from the weft, wherever I cut the weft, wherever that cut was made, the hair would more than likely shed from that area. So that's why a lot of times when we're making our wigs, when we're having our hair sewn in, we ask for them not to cut the wefts, because we want to limit the amount of shedding that we get. Plus the hair is expensive, so instead of cutting up the wefts, we just sew, and I did that up until I got to like the top of my hair. Now I'm wearing a closure, and the closure is bad. I'm not even going to lift this up. The closure is bad. That's why I have a center part and not a side part like what I would usually have. But I really love this hair. I love this hair so much. I want to take it down, as in take it out and then redo it and do it better, because now I'm back into sewing in my hair. So this was kind of practice for me, so I have to take it down and redo it, because I love this hair. I love the texture. It has not shed, it has shed because I said I cut the weft, so it's been shedding from that, but it hasn't been shedding badly. I have gotten no matting whatsoever, and you guys see me on Snapchat. If you follow me on Snapchat, you'll see me working out in it, you'll see me taking pictures in it, you'll see me like making this hair blow, baby. I love it so much. I want to thank Golden Crown collection. You guys did it. The only con I say about this hair is that the closure doesn't really match up with the curl pattern of the rest of the bundles. I don't know if it's obvious in this video, but the closure has more of a wave than a tighter curl than this. The bundles have a little bit more of a tighter curl than the closure. I'm not sure if it's obvious. It's probably not, but I see it because I'll have it in. What else? Tangling, no. Low maintenance. All I do, I just put this hair in pigtails and go to my bed. I don't tie it down, I don't anything. So when I tie it down, it's because I don't want it to touch on my skin, because in the night it's hot and we sleep with the window open and it's still hot. Well, it's hot some nights, not like steaming hot, but I don't want it to be touching on my skin. So I put it up and I put my stocking cap over it, and that's it. If I'm sleeping during the days, like fall asleep, I just fall asleep as is. I'm not meticulous about how I care about this hair. If I want the curls to bounce back, all I do is just run it, some water on it, or you can just spray it down with some water and it's good to go. The curls bounce right back. I love this hair. It is beautiful, you guys, and I must lift my hat off to Golden Crown collection, because when I was contacted by them, I was honestly skeptical. I was like, okay, because I haven't worn it in such a long time and my standards are so high for hair. As I tell you, there are a lot of hairs that you have not seen here on my channel because it's that bad, and I don't want to promote a bad hair saying it's good, and I don't want to take somebody's hair from their company that they're trying to build or have already built and say the hair is bad or the hair is crap, or I have to be speaking politically about the hair. I don't want to do that. I want no filter when I come and I do reviews for you guys, and no filter whatsoever. So this hair by Golden, what I can't remember is the name, which is bad. I should know the name, but I'm hoping I'm right. It's the Vinny. I'm not sure. V and I'm not sure, but I would of course have it linked in the description bar for you guys, and if there's a discount code, I will definitely link it in the description bar for you guys. I urge you to check them out. They're a UK based hair company. And I hope by the time this video goes, I don't know if by the time this video goes up if they'll still have the giveaway, because they're having a giveaway right now. But I record for weeks, mama, so I'm recording this video like this video has already been done, you know. So by the time you're seeing this when this was recorded probably 2 or 3 weeks ago. So follow them on Instagram, please, you guys. Support them on Instagram. If you can't support by, you know, purchasing, at least support by following, because following, one, it helps us as business owners to see who is interested in our product. Two, it helps us to advertise without shoving it in your face, meaning you choose to like the page, so that means that you want to see more from us. And it just shows the support that you get. So probably you can't support monetarily, but you can support by just clicking the like button, you know, or the follow button. So yeah, that's basically it on my Golden Crown collection. It's a UK based company and they did it. And guys, one of my track up here, it's showing, so that's why I have to take it out and redo it so I can fix my track. Yeah, that's basically it. I really have nothing else to say. Thank you so much, you guys, for the support, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.
Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do anything better than you.
Luke.